Hello ka-workmates! For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to register in Bayad Center App. So, Bayad Center App is a one-stop payment solution. So, if you need to pay your government benefits such as SSS, Philhealth, Pag-ibig, ito na yung hinahanap mo. So, if you want to do everything online, please keep on watching. So, first, you need to download using your Google Store or Apple Store ng Bayad Center App. So once installed, click, and then this is the web page of Bayad Center App. So if you're your first time using Bayad Center App, please click the sign up button. So you'll be setting up your account, so you need to register your first name, last name, email address, password, and your mobile number. So you need to register your real name at hindi mga dummy name or pseudonyms. For the email address, this should be valid kasi dito nila ipapadala yung notification na you are registered na sa Bayad Center App. And then sa password, ikaw nang gagawa ng password mo, syempre matatandaan mo. And you need to confirm it. Mobile number, should be also active kasi dito sa nagpapadala ng mga messages and notifications regarding your Bayad Center App. So just agree to this and then create account. And then you'll be receiving a one-time PIN or OTP dun sa register mong mobile number. So type mo lang siya dito sa screen na to sa taas. And then just click the confirm button. So once done, try mo nang i-login yung na-register mong email and then your password kanina. And then you'll be asked to create a 4-digit PIN code. So if every time na mag-login ka sa Bayad Center App, these are used just a second security notification. Then once na you do it, just click the confirm button. And then retype. And then confirm. So every time you'll be logging into your Bayad Center App, this page will appear. So you will be entering your 4-digit mpin. So just type the 7-digit, the one that you created earlier. And then, so you already registered sa Bayad Center App. So this page will appear. This is a welcome message coming from them. You can click skip, or if you want to learn more about Bayad Center App, click the learn more button sa baba. Okay. So this is the Bayad Center App. So these are some of the government agencies where you can pay using the Bayad Center App. And yun. Pwede rin siya sa Meralco, Maynilad. And these are some loading centers for the Bayad Center App. So that's it. Thank you and God bless.